Hello and welcome to multiplications that you can do in your head with practice. You can take these tricks to school. Let's start simple. You should be confident with your multiplications from 1 to 12. So here are some questions. Write these down if you need to. Try these in your head. You can use paper if you want to. Tough, right? Well, let's start with 1. 70 times 5. If you know 7 times 5 is 35, all you need to do is add a 0 at the end and you get your answer. 350. Question 2, you do 75 times 5. To do this in your head, do 70 times 5, ignoring the 5 in 75. We know this is 350. Then do 5 times 5, ignoring the 7 in 75. This is 25. Add these up. And you will get your answer. 375. Simple. I know it can be confusing at the start and you will need to practice your normal multiplications, but rewind or pause if you're unsure about the method. Question 3, 19 times 8. Using the same method, we will do 10 times 8, which is 80, and 9 times 8, which is 72. Add these up, 152. 74 times 8. Same method, 17 times 8, which is 560, 4 times 8, which is 32. Add these up, and you will get your answer of 592. Now you should be feeling a little bit more confident about the method. Let's try harder questions. I'll teach you one method, but this should work for all 2 digits by 2 digits. So 15 times 28. To do this in your head, you will have to break it down. Let's figure out what the answer will end in. The answer will end in 0. This is why. To find the last number, do 5 times 8. This is the last digit in each number in the question. 5 times 8 is 40. So the end of our answer will definitely be 0. And the 4 is to remember for later. Now what does the answer start with? Let's multiply the start of each of the numbers in the question. This will be 2. Not definitely 2, but remember that the 2 is at the start of this answer. The only one that's definite is 0, the ending. So now we want to figure out the middle part of the question. This is just what we have so far. So, to find the middle part, we multiply 5 times 2, which is 10. Then we multiply 1 times 8, which is 8. You see that we're using the end of the first number, the start of the last number, and then the start of the first number, and the end of the second number. So remember the 2 at the start, 18 in the middle, and definitely ends in 0. But the 4 from 40 needs to be added to the 18, which was the middle answer, making 22. So our middle number is the last number of this, which is 2. We have to then do something with that 2 and add it to our initial 2, which makes it 420. Now I know that can seem tough, but rewind and pause and you will gather understanding. This method works for any 2-digit number by 2 digits. Practice makes perfect. Give it a go, write it out, and then once you nail it down, you'll be able to do it in your head. Thank you. Please share and subscribe.